hope you're all doing well and that you're having a nice Thursday so far. So, today we're going to be moving on to decimals and we're going to be adding and subtracting decimals, and our learning goal is I can add and subtract decimals to investigate how much profit is made or lost. And we're going to use the table that we used on Monday when we were doing improper fractions, and that is just on the second page here. And we're just working with the salted caramel cake and Cafe 367. And you'll see that when we go through our examples up here. So Cafe 367 buys the salted caramel cake slices from the wholesaler for $3.15 each and sells them to their customers for $4.40 each. Assuming they sell all of the slices that week, how much profit did Cafe 367 make? Okay, so these are our important parts that I'm underlining. And you're going to show your working out using words, drawings, and of course you can use numbers as well. So when we're talking about profit, we're talking about how much money that Cafe 367 had to spend. So how much money they spent altogether on the cakes from the wholesaler, and also how much money they earned from selling those slices to their customers, because you can see that they sold their slices for more than they bought them from the wholesaler. So first of all, we need to see how many cake slices they bought that week from the wholesaler. So Cafe 367 bought 6 slices of salted caramel cake from the wholesaler that week. So to find out the total that Cafe 367 spent on their slices from the wholesaler, you would add 3.15 together 6 times because there's 6 cake slices. And to find out how much the cafe earned, you would add 4.40 together 6 times. And to find the profit, you would minus your answer here. So from adding 3.15 together 6 times, from your answer here. So from adding 4.40 together 6 times. And that will give you the profit that they made. Our second question is, how much profit would they make if they only sell 1/3 of the slices? So if we go over to our little diagram over here, you can see that these are our slices. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 salted caramel cake slices, and they only sell 1/3 of these slices. And as we know, 1/3 is the same as 2/6, which is its equivalent fraction. So we're saying that we only sold 2 of these cakes, 2 cakes out of 6, which means that we didn't sell 4 of the slices. So now we're trying to find out how much profit they would make if they only sell 1/3 of the slices. So if they only sold 2 slices instead of the normal 6. Okay, so you can use your answer from number 1 to help you with this one. Number 3. The owner of Cafe 367 accidentally dropped 3/6 of the salted caramel cake slices on the floor on delivery day and had to throw the dropped cakes in the bin. How much profit did they lose? Show your working out. So if we go back here, I'll just get rid of what I did there. So now we're saying that they dropped 3/6 of the cakes. So they dropped half of the cakes, really, which is 3, and they sold 3. So now we're trying to find out how much profit did they lose, because we know how much profit they made in number 1. Now we're looking at how much profit they lost when they can only sell half of the cakes. And now onto our challenge. What if they sold the dropped cakes at a 25% discount to customers, how much profit did they lose then? So now we're saying that we sold these 3 cake slices at full price, but we sold these 3 slices, the dropped cakes, at a 25% discount. Okay, so that is our challenge. And it would be great if you could submit your solutions to questions 1, 2, and 3. And of course, I encourage everyone to have a go at the challenge. So I hope you enjoy the task, and I hope that I see you soon. Bye, everyone.